All right, guys, so here I am. The coach has been picked up, and they're still happy. In fact, look at that, big old smile. All right, so what's up? I just did a very quick, well, not quick, it was actually a little bit of time. Did a quick wash job on this motorhome, get it ready for the owner to come pick it up. We're quite excited. It was quite dirty, just sitting out here getting dirty. So I didn't make it more dirty, I made it more clean. Cleaning the motorhome is not usually what we do over here, but got to give it back looking good. It's still drying. Don't want to walk on the roof too much, but we'll get up there and take a look at it. Well, I thought I let it dry out more. Ugh. But I don't know, maybe with the water drops you can see better. So here it is, all complete. Really not much to look at, to be honest. Look down there. Hello. That's the roof. Well, let's wipe down this solar panel a little bit for him. There we go. Now you can make electricity. Nice and tight there. Looks good. Seal looks good. New awning fabric, new awning fabric. And then the other side got a completely new awning. Satellite dish is on, vents are on. Now I won't say that this is as good as factory. They use power bonding and rollers when they build these things, but without getting a whole new roof, it's hard to say. I've changed the whole roof before too, and this one would have been pretty expensive to change out. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed it. It was fun. It was good. They're gonna go ahead and take it back and enjoy their motorhome, and hopefully not have this problem again. But at least once a year, check that roof sealant, yeah, or have somebody check it.
Thank you, James.
You're welcome. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Okay. You're all clear.